Y'all, another Pokemon related for you guys. This time to Target. So I got Articuno Crown Zenith. I got the Ultras Crown Zenith. And I also got the Zapdos. So I guess I got these at Target for $19.99, and then plus tax is like $21 each. And market price online they're like 29 something, and then yeah, pick this up at Target. Let's open up. Yeah, I guess I gotta open up all of them. The 4 packs each. So this is what is in it. Of course, promo card and 4 packs of the Crown Zenith. Alrighty, ready. Let's open up Zapdos first. All right, let's go. Luckily, I didn't come in nails yet, so I can still dig into this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Nails come clutch. Okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Okay. Nice packaging. Okay. Alright. Okay, 4 packs. Let's go. Okay. Okay, nice. I forgot how hard these pulls are at. So since this is the last set for a Sword and Shield. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at the. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, that's right. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. That's pretty cool. Now let's leave this bed. Okay, that's cool. There's actually a card I wanted from the set. Bit of. Okay, cool. Okay. Hold on. Alright. On this one, but I gotta open up first. It took me forever to open up the first one. Alright, gotta open up. It's gonna be the same thing, but just with Articuno. Okay, let's see. forgot these cold cards are black. So you don't know if you're gonna get hit or not. So that's a good thing about. Ooh, okay, V-Star. Okay. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Let's see what the other packs has to do. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. So far each 10 has a hit so far. Yes. Oh, okay, that's right. I forgot V-Star is a thing card. Ooh, okay. Okay, so far, this 10 is winning. Yes. Okay, on to the next one. Go. Fire. Okay. Right. Oh my goodness. Okay. I didn't know this. I forgot this one was in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's a pretty cool card, man. Not gonna lie. I wasn't this lucky. Jeez. I was not this lucky when I first got Crown Zenith and stuff. Not that lucky. I was not that lucky, yo. Okay. Okay. All right. That's not too bad. Okay. On to this one. Get to open it in a bit. I got the plastic off. Same thing as the other one, but Moltres. Moltres one is probably my favorite promo card from The Sims. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, I totally forgot that Crown Zenith was the starting point of the cold cards being all black. Before Crown Zenith, then is either black or white cold cards from Pokemon trading card games. It looks like a V is coming up. Ooh, oh my gosh, okay. Double bangers. Ooh, texture 2. My goodness. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oops. Okay, not too bad. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I see something. Oh, okay. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay. Not too bad. Wow, this card is beautiful. Oops, I got messed up. Wow. And Neo V. No longer playable in the TCG, but it's okay. All right. So. Okay, V-Star card. Ooh, there's a hollow, reverse hollow. Okay, that's pack magic. Let's go. Gosh, I have so many friends. snap! Radiant Charizard. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Okay, okay. I'll show you guys the hits of all my stuff in a bit. Okay. So let's start with all the hits. Okay, start for the late recent box, the Moltres, so Radiant Charizard, Neil V, Kidrill, SSR, Zenith V, Jordan V. And for the second one, Citizen V, Megator, and Raton V Star. I didn't know this one had V Star. And Viburo